All right. So we back. We got another collaboration deal going on right now, and I'm gonna let you see what we got. So I was curious about a speaker. I needed a speaker to be small and put out a couple watts that I can actually hear. So we're gonna test this out. Today collaboration is with K Speakers, and we're gonna see how this handlebar motorcycle K speaker sounds on the ATV and see if it can fit on the handlebars. And we're gonna see how loud it is. I have an HML single exhaust pointing out the side. It's kind of loud, but not so loud. But we can see, can this push enough watts for me to actually hear it while I drive? So we got manual, zip ties, inline fuse, positive, negative connection, power connection. That's a power connection that's that's like this. Also, we got, they got two styles, black or chrome. I went with the chrome one, be a little shiny, a little flashy. So these connections swivel and sway out. That's different. I ain't never seen a sound bar mount or speaker mount that swivel like that. So that's cool. And the edges even got like a little, I guess, sway into it, gimbal into it, rotation into it. So they give you a lot of flexibility on your handlebars. So that's why I was thinking that this probably would be pretty good for ATV. Only curiosity is the volume. Even this right here has an adjustment. You can adjust these Allen wrenches and you can turn the speaker left and right, up and down to where you need it to point at. So also on the inside, you have a USB connection. So if you want to play USB audio, you possibly can also, I think you can charge through this USB. So it'll put power out to charge your phone. So, oh, that's looking good and neat. So let's try to mount this up and see what we got. All right, so we're about to get ready to place this on the machine. We got fuse, we got screws, we got little rubber garments so that it won't be just clamped on the handlebars and scratching them. All the things you need. And Allen wrench and a big Allen wrench. No remote is needed. All right, so let's open these up. I grabbed the right Allen wrench on the first try. All right. So those rubber pieces, you can take those off and go with a smaller size rubber piece. That way, if you got a larger diameter handlebar, you should be able to get two different styles to probably clamp on your handlebars. We have our mount done right here. I'm leaving it loose for right now. Also, with this, you can sway this down and point the speaker right here, or you can keep it up high. I kept it up high because I could see my gauge while looking up under it, but I might actually pull it down. But, little flexibility, it swivels, so that's the good thing about it. Right now, I'm just gonna put my negative and my positive on. I'm gonna run it up to my connector right here. And like I said, I always take the fuse out when you're hooking up. It's a 10 amp fuse. So we're gonna start off with the ground. And then I'm gonna finish off with my positive. I'm gonna run them through my fairing right here and connect it. You can start. All right. We got our power cable ran up, coming out the fairing right here. We got our connection right here. I'm gonna start off by hooking up my inline fuse. All right, we in there. And we about to hook it up and see what happens. All right. You already know me. I ain't read no instructions. I was went straight in. So I'm assuming with anything you hold, maybe power button out on the left. Yep. It's on. Red light.
Play by USB drive.
USB. It came out with music. Oh, that USB got music on it. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
I went to Bluetooth mode. It's an M button for Bluetooth. All right, thanks y'all for the USB. I mean, I can put music on it. K2 speaker, that's the name. We're gonna pair. All right. See what kind of music we can get to. That's not copyright.
And won't even hesitate. Keep it gangsta all over my wrist.
Okay. That sounded loud enough. Hold on.
Nobody's perfect. I've been healing. I've been through some things. Ain't no study. Trying to cope with my addiction, but I keep buying lines of muddy. I threw the red off in the bins on fire, but I ain't slime or bloody. I'm from the bottom, you know that they love me. Red on the bottom, these out of your budget. I'm on a tour, and you know that I'm thugging.
Can't play no more than 9 seconds. I get a copyright claim. So this how loud it is right now. That's pretty loud right now. So I'm gonna let the beat drop. I'm gonna crank it up. We're gonna see what it sounds like. I'm gonna crank it up. Here we go. Here we go. BBS the rich. Oh yeah, I can hear that. I'm gonna give y'all another song. Yeah, I drink, crucial. So I be smacking the fad. I kiss a curb, adrenaline pumping, heart pacing, racing, altercations we lit. Blood drip, stain the ground, broke it down. You hit, same hood, different day, same whip, different clip, letting off. Somehow we end up. Yeah. Hey, I love it when you the type of piece I take. Yeah, I can hear that. Having chocolate little red bone. On the tight of hair you lid on. On the tight of hair. Playing games, I know I'm dead wrong. Playing games, now she all over me. Caught the vibe, now she all over me. Yeah. When I'm done, she all over me. I can hear it. Yeah, I got a loaf. Oh my God, I'm not. Like a sort of, you turn these hoes, you ain't cuddling. With me enough, doing all. With a Mary.